BAF Machine, producing to entertain today and to secure tomorrow, with the inspirations gleaned from the past. In spite of starting to produce machinery in 2007, the company adopted its current corporate identity and strong structure in 2018 by beginning to specialize in the production of ammunition machinery. BAF Machine believes in its unique capability of meeting the requirements of the global defense industry. Subsequently, BAF Machine prepares technical drawings of small and medium caliber ammunition production machineries while also checking their quality in order to ensure that every single part is produced appropriately. Products processed in BAF's manufacturing facility are produced with great care at all stages, from design to production to assembly. BAF Machine's meticulous assemblage adds value to the global defense industry, thereby securing the future of countries while also providing the means by which outdoor fans may be entertained through hunting. By collaborating with global manufacturers and pioneers while also conducting ongoing R&D, BAF Machine strives to offer extraordinary quality and always aims to surpass global market-level quality in its products. BAF Machine is continuously improving itself based on the history of preceding machinery production techniques. BAF Machine keeps evolving with the global company by gradually expanding its range of products and services. It also offers tungsten and carbide tools, such as dies and punches, and offers machinery maintenance to all units sold. With a dynamic organization open for innovation, a perspective that can foresee the future, and a genius R&D department, and, crucially, a competitive pricing and servicing policy for all of the machinery it produces, BAF Machine has ensured itself a solid position in the global industry. BAF Machine, the rising star in defense from Ankara to the world.